Welcome back to Good Old RVing. How y'all doing? Hey, so I had damage on one of my fan blades. Actually, two of them. Right here on this spot right here. I don't know if I can see that. Right here. What happened is these cupboards I store stuff in. Well, I forgot the fan was on. Yeah, I did it. And bam, bam, bam. It's like, oh shoot. Turns out that I broke it. So, to remove them without dismantling the entire fan system, a stubby Phillips screwdriver. So right now, I am removing them because I was at Home Depot and found replacements. Anyways, these are real short ones, and I measured them. They're like 15 inches, a little over 15 inches. But when you go to the store and you look at the package, I brought one with me so I knew it was the right one, because I wanted to make sure the holes and everything lined up and they were the right length. But when you look at the package actually says, I think 44 inches. I'll show you a picture of the package before I open it. And I was like, good thing I brought a new one, because I measured 15. I don't know where they get 44. It must be from the end of one to the end of the other, on the opposite side or something, like the 44-inch diameter of the fan or something. Anyways, yeah. And if you look, these are two different colors also. They have a light and a dark side. I don't know, light, dark. Ones we got, they only had one available, one color, at this size available at Home Depot. And so the wife was okay with it, so I just went ahead and got it. Because to have a broken one, or a damaged one, technically would put this out of balance. And you do not want your fan out of balance, especially in the summer, because you're using it all the time. At least I am. I don't know. But yeah, so I bought new ones. They're not expensive, and you don't have to buy a whole fan, just the blades by themselves. Actually, I was looking for something a little bit different that would match the bamboo in here that I put in here, but didn't see that. Maybe later, if I see it, I'll buy it and just change it. But right now, I just want something that'll work properly. Okay, so since I'm on the subject, these fans, they're, I don't know, yours is, but mine's actually in the kitchen. And because I full-time and use the kitchen on a daily basis, if you feel these, they're actually sticky from the oil from cooking. And just wiping them off gets it kind of clean, but you still feel like it's dirty. So what I found works is glass cleaner. Right here. Let me see if you see that. Yeah. I just use this cheap glass cleaner, and if you look right here, it's ammonia free. Okay? So you don't have to worry about it. I use it on a lot of stuff. Even around the stove, because there's no ammonia to interact with propane. So I just simply, I'm just going to show you on this old one. Spray it. Let it soak in a minute. Then wipe it off. See the dirt? That's what wiping it off with a rag leaves behind. This glass cleaner really cleans them. And so, yeah, this is what I use. And you can feel it. See how it just takes all that off. You can feel it, and you can actually feel that it's clean now. No more stickiness to it. And this is what builds up on the top of the fan. Not the bottom side, but the top side. And so, yeah, you can see how they're clean now? See the reflection? And so, just a heads up, I found a good cleaning product if that's what you want to use. And, yeah. So there's that. Now, let me show you these new ones. These are the new ones from Home Depot right here. See, and if you could see the label right here. Here's the label, what it says about it. See where it says 42-inch, and it's also a 5-pack. So because my fan's only a 4-blade, I'm only going to end up using 4 of them. So I'll have a spare. I guess in case I damage one, I'll be prepared. But yeah, engineered wood, that's the same as these old ones. So you can see the damage right here. Right here, that's engineered wood. And so yeah, I just didn't want it to get out of balance and go out crazy on me. So anyways, there's that. Now let me open up these new ones and get a better look at those. Interesting. They have them individually, or not individually, but paired up with the plastic. I don't want to use anything that's going to damage them. Hold on a minute. I just used a knife, went right in between here with a knife. Let me just tear this off. Okay, so this is how they look. They protect them with a piece of protection paper, I guess you call it. And it doesn't come with any hardware that I could see. Hold on a minute. Let me open this, take everything out. Make sure there's no new screws or anything like that in there. No, it doesn't come with any hardware. It does come with some type of instructions. I'm just going to put them in the way that the old ones came out, and hope that's good enough. So the old ones had these little washers on them, and so I'm even going to use the same washers. So we're about to see what's going to happen. I'm not going to be able to use the washer because, as you can see right here, that screw barely comes out. So it's going to be a pretty interesting game. As you can see on the old ones, they were tightened so tight that it actually set into the fan blades. So let me see how that's going to work out. So I was able to countersink these holes. Not real pretty, but I'm going to throw a little clear coat in each one of them to seal the material it's made out of. But at least now with them countersunk, you can see that the screw actually comes through a little bit. So let's see if they screw in now. Well, for the last one, I added the light to this ceiling fan because I had a spare one in my storage and it worked. It happened to fit. So I added it so I wouldn't have to depend on my other lights. I can still have this one. The thing with the way that I did it, or I'm doing it, is once you countersink those holes, there is no changing your mind. That's the side that you want showing or facing the ceiling. So something to think about. Okay, all up here. and you'll be good. And here we go. Oh yeah, I already feel the cool air. And as you can see, this one is for the fan speed. And there's another switch up there for the reverse on the fan speed. And I don't think there's a switch for the light. I don't remember putting one on there, otherwise I'd have two chains. I think I have the chain, but I just never took the time to install it with the switch. So anyways, as you can see, she don't look like she's shaking or anything. Looks pretty smooth operation. So let's see different speed. Yeah, no shaking. I think I just turned it off here. So I'll go one more. Perfect. Okay, and so that's how that's how I changed my fan blades on my ceiling fan. And so I don't know, maybe it's helpful. Let me know in the comments. Okay, have a great day.